Well, it's finally here. It's the big bore kit for the 136. So we'll see what's in this thing. The ring, nice, protected. Some pins, some bolts, piston pin. So, I've never done a big bore kit on anything, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna see. I'll start it up, do a little video before and after. Yeah. Big bore. Yee. So yeah. Nice. So I will break down the saw now, clean her up and get her ready to put this cylinder and piston on. Cool. Alright. Let's get at it. Well, it's all taken apart. So here's got her all broken down. Fun stuff. So here she is. Let's see, is there any difference in there? Okay. Yeah, so, oops. Yeah, so, we'll break her apart. So, split her apart, yeah. Nothing. I'm doing.
You're learning.
I'm learning, yeah.
I think the snowblower
What? Yeah, the snowblower's a slack back a bit, yeah.
I called you earlier, was no answer.
A little bigger. Well, I'm into it now. Oh my. So yeah, here's the original piston. And this one is, so there's a bit of a size difference. .36cc to 42. So, yeah, I'll see if I can get this thing removed and get back at it. Alright, so I got that one out. That little C ring or O ring, this little clip there, that one yeeted, said farewell, never to be seen again. So I understand why they put those in there with the kit. Alright, so this is my new piston. Sweet, okay. So this piece, do one of these. So after quite the struggle with these little C-clips or whatever that be's in here, after they go flying across the room, it makes it quite hard to find. But anyways, I managed to get it done. So here is the big bore kit. So I'm going to torque these down. 7 foot-pounds, 7 to 8.5 foot. Alright, so here she is. Alright, so now I'll get her put back together, hopefully. And then try it and see if it makes any difference at all. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this little big bore kit for the 136 Husky. So yeah, I'll get her put back together now and then we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's noticeable. back together. I'm going to put some fuel in it, and I'm guessing I'm gonna need to retune it with a little bit of extra fuel. So I'm gonna put some fuel in it and try starting it and see where we're at.
Gotta be my someone.
Alright, first start. I was gonna check compression first and see, but I'm just gonna go with it. We'll see what happens. So yeah, I got a feeling she's not gonna run right yet, because I'm gonna have to, she's probably a bit too lean, smaller cylinder and shit, so we'll see what she does. We go that tuner. She works! Alright, so I'm gonna tune her up and then we'll do a comparison and see how she holds up towards the 440. Alright, got the big bore 136. I like it so far. I haven't cut with it yet, but it seems like there's a bit of a difference. And I got the 440 to compare it to. And then I got this one just for some fun. Just to play around a little bit. 365 with a 14-inch spare. 5 horsepower. This thing's a beast. Alright, so I'm going to start with the 440. Just to show you what a 40cc is like. I believe the 136 is a 35cc, no 36cc, but it's now 42. So I'm not pushing down on the saws, I'm just letting the saw do the work. I'll do that with all of them. So here's the 136 big bore, so she's a 42cc now. So yeah, see, first cut. like it. Definitely. If you can manage to change a piston on one of these for $40 to $50, let's just say you have a 30 to 40 cc saw and you want a bigger saw, it would cost you $500 to $1,000 for a new saw, but for $50 to $100 you could do a big bore kit. Big difference, well worth it. I'd recommend it. So yeah, now the 365, just for some fun. This thing's a beast. Absolute monster. But yeah, today was about the 136 big bore. It's a great little saw. I love this little thing. I love it even more now. 42 cc's. Yeah, definitely recommend doing that. If you're capable of doing the build yourself, I would definitely do it. It's not that expensive. It's not hard to do. And you get a bit more power for fairly cheap. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. And if we get 2,000 subscribers, I'll put a turbo on this thing. 1,000 subscribers is all I ask, and we will put a turbo on this. I don't know, I haven't seen any I haven't seen any turbo chainsaws on YouTube, so we'll see how it goes. The reason I mentioned electric saws is because we also have the new 540, the 540i. So I'm going to take that one out later on. We'll get a video later in the week to see how the 540i electric battery operated professional lineup chainsaw is. But anyways, talk to you later. See ya.